Number 5. Upgraded Pet Dog Car Step Stairs. Accordion metal frame, folding pet ramp, for indoor-outdoor use. Lightweight portable auto large dog and cat ladder for cars, trucks and SUVs cargo. Couch and high bed. Lightweight and durable, the metal frame foldable, 5 steps dog stairs weighs only 12 pounds, but strong enough to hold up to 150 pounds large dogs. A perfect alternative to jumping onto your vehicle tailgate for your pet, so they can avoid injuries. Great for large SUV, full-size truck, sailboat and other 30 inches to 40 inches high platforms. Number 4. Pet Loader H2O Dog Stairs. Pet Loader H2O XL is the perfect dog stairs for your pontoon or any boat without a swim platform. With Pet Loader H2O, your dog will no longer have to struggle to reboard your boat from the water, and you won't have to drag him aboard or struggle to push him onto the boat, making it safer for you and your pet. Pet Loader H2O XL attaches to the deck, separate from the swim ladder. Number 3. Great Day Load A Pup. Pet loading platform. Simply hook the Load A Pup to your boat's boarding litter, and you are ready for action. Your dog can leave and re-enter the boat at will. The Load A Pup platform is constructed of lightweight aircraft aluminum and includes gripping ridges to ensure solid, safe footing as your dog climbs back into the boat after a swim. Number 2. Water Dog Adventure Gear Dog Ladder. For hunting boat. Dog-friendly design and sturdy. Lightweight and collapsible, for transport storage. Floats, if dropped in the water. Non-corrosive materials. No metal contact with boat. No wood, carpet or perforated metal. Number 1. Harbor-made aluminum pontoon boat ramps. 6 feet long pontoon boat ramp, for easy loading and unloading, on docks or shores. Perfect for coolers, equipment, pets, children and adults. Heavy-duty 600 pounds weight capacity. Traction surface to prevent slipping. Universal mounting brackets fit most pontoon models, and hardware is included.